Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Retro Gaming. And when we last left off, we were in the Raccoon Press, or the other one, depending on where you decided to leave off. And we're going to search this dead guy here and get handgun ammo once again. And then if we come over here to the light, this was part of what was in Marvin's documents. It says a clock that is not functioning. 2 gems are missing from the hour plate. Well, it just so happens I have 2 gems in my inventory, so I think I will put them in. Now, if you're running from the restaurant first and not the press, the Nemesis will probably be high on your heels here, so you might want to do this a little bit quicker. But overall, we shouldn't be too bad. We shouldn't worry too much about him for the time being. Alright, so we're going to head at the left at the fort. The right will take us to the Stalga gas station, but there's nothing we can do there right this exact moment. And now we are in the Lonsdale Yard. As you can see, the sign there that says Lonsdale Yard. 2 green herbs here, which we will pick up. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. And we will exit out to the opposite end here, and not much we can do. It's going to be 2 Cerberuses there, L2 to target, blow them up, search the dead guy by the door here, and we will get 14 shotgun shells. There are actually 2 dogs there, but we blew both of them up. There's going to be a third when we try to leave. You can see that foreboding fire there. And let's enter the tram here. And the first thing that we're going to want to do is read the mechanic's memo.
You're one of the survivors from the rescue team, right? I just ran into your teammate, Carlos.
How did a girl like you manage to survive?
Hey, I'm no ordinary civvy. I'm a member of STARS.
Stars? You mean the RPD Special Force Team?
Hey, is someone wounded back there?
As if she can't see him.
Oh, this looks bad.
They're coming. Get ready. Fire. Fire. Stay together.
Calm down. You're safe now. Everything is gonna be okay.
So Jill, did you decide to help us out? It looks like we're the only ones who survived. We should work together.
No, we can't trust her.
Why? But Sergeant, we need her help. Our unit's down to you, me, and Lieutenant Mikhail. That's it. And Mikhail's hurt bad. If we don't cooperate, we won't be walking away from this mission.
Fine. Then let's go over our plan. We're moving to the clock tower area, which is the designated landing zone for the extraction chopper. Once we get there and give the signal, the chopper will fly in and pull us out.
That's a lot of ground to cover. I don't think we can make it on foot.
The main problem we have is that the landing zone is cut off from here by the fire. So we have no choice but to use this cable car to navigate through it. Fortunately, we can also use it as a moving shield to get us through the worst areas.
That works for me. Good plan. Sir,
Okay, people, let's get moving.
Jill, put this on.
Alright, so finally we have control over a character once again. Take the wrench and let's open the door here and let's leave. And as we leave, a Cerberus jumps out. Ooh! Oh, I shot it. Now, usually I don't bother killing him, but, well, I just want to kill him. Let it burn. Alright, let's head back the way we came, because that's the way we gotta go. Alright, now this custom handgun has the ability to blow people's heads off. Especially if you're not shooting at them. Unfortunately, it's totally random whether you decapitate the guy or not. Oh yeah. In here we can get ourselves some gunpowder B. Now usually I don't bother killing most of these guys, but, you know, I felt like killing them. I was just in a killing mood. Alright, so now when we come through here, this door bursts open, and 100 zombies come flying out of it. Oh, that would have been great if I took that guy's head off. Alright, because he was right close to the screen. So we got some herbs here. I think I'm just going to use one of these, just for the sake of using it, bring my health back up to normal. And I'm going to leave the other one there for the time being, and I'm going to push the button of the mayor, and he gives me a book. Apparently I had to push the button to lower it 3 inches. Oh wow. So now we gotta leave, because there's nothing we can do here right now. Alright, there's no zombies here. Sometimes there are, sometimes there aren't. Usually when you come out of the save room here, this place, all of a sudden zombies appear. Alright, so let's see. Shotgun shells we can combine with the other ones. Let's get rid of our first aid spray. Let's get rid of my herbal. Let's get rid of that. You know what, I'll take the wrench with me just because I want to take it with me. And I guess I'll get rid of that for the time being. And let's get out of here and face the wide world. See, I told you there'd be zombies. Yeah! Finally decapitated one. Let's just let him amble away. And let's head over to the fountain over here. And you can see there's an indentation for a book. So let's put the book in. And let's go over here and take the compass. Oh yeah. The power of the compass. And since we're gonna go back through the area where we can put the compass, we might as well go get it, so we don't have to keep backtracking. Ooh, I faked you out. Faked you out. Oh, I can't fake you out. Dance for me, buddy. Oh, ah. Not dead either. There you are. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. Got some Cerebrises. Let's avoid them. And let's get out of here. Alright, so I'm going to stop this video here. Thank you for tuning in to Retro Gaming. This is Resident Evil 3 Nemesis.